subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC launched its new premium phone under U series in Taiwan called HTC U23 Pro. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The HTC U23 Pro features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the HTC U23 Pro supports a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view along with the 5MP macro lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4600 mAh battery with 30 watts wired, 15 watt wireless and 5 watt reverse wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. And it also comes with inbuilt Viverse app that helps to explore metaverse space. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.6 by 77.1 by 8.88mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HTC U23 Pro has been priced in Taiwan for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 16,990 new Taiwanese dollar, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 17,990 new Taiwanese dollar. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in coffee black and silver white color options. So what do you guys think of this HTC U23 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.